Good morning. Welcome to Arthur's Garden and Life. Today we're going to transplant an okra plant that came out of my back porch and is going into a 5-gallon bucket. Let's get with it. This is a good plant. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of spreading the roots a little bit so that it can grow a little easier. It's getting kind of root bound, so I want to open her up a little bit. She's going to do well. And I already got the bucket started with some good compost that I made. Organic material here. What is that? Yeah, all of it organic. Anyway, here we go. See how the stem's kind of a little bit of leggy, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that too. I get it. I got it in there. I got it all spread out, setting it up, getting ready. Okay, now comes the fun part. Eggshells. That's always good. I make this stuff myself. It ain't all the way complete, but it'll work. And with a 5-gallon bucket, it's got plenty of room for roots for this season. It's good to get your hands in the dirt and stay there. Stay there. And just keep filling it up. I got some fertilizer I've mixed up already. I'm gonna give it, and what I'm using is the Alaska fish fertilizer. Comes in a jug, and I do about 1 tablespoon with half a gallon of water, and that should be sufficient for it to get her started. It's going to be good. You see, compost ain't quite finished yet, but like I said, it'll do. It's full of nutrients. Might even have some worms in it. I know I've seen them in there before. And let's see, let's get the fertilizer in it. I got her all mixed up here in my half-gallon jug. Shake it a little bit. Make sure it's mixed good. And then give it a drink. Give it a good soaking, actually. Ain't gonna hurt it. Now all I need to do is put it in a sunny spot. I normally support the new ones. What I would do is, well, here, get me one of these supports. Put it in here somewhere in between the leaves. As you can see, put it between the leaves. Just for support. Lean on me when you're not strong, right? That's like the song says. And then you find it a nice sunny place. And there you go. That's the way I do it. I've grown okra out of 5-gallon buckets before and had good results. And I'll do it again. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe if you like. And come back and see what I have later for gardens. I got more than garden stuff though. I got everything I like. motorcycles, cars, nature, and interesting things that are of interest to me. I thank you for watching once again. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you see me doing what you think is wrong or right, leave a comment. Let me know. And thank you again for watching. This is Arthur for Arthur's Garden and Life. Y'all have a great day, and bye for now.